Welcome to the Supreme Detail Supply. Today we're going to be talking about our ceramic boost product. This is an SiO2 product designed for ease of application on all parts of your car. This is going to include the paint, clear film, trim, chrome, wheels, and glass. Yes, you can use it on every part of the car for extremely slick results, gloss enhancement everywhere, and durable protection. So with this product, all you're going to need are three things: a clean car, and then the ceramic boost product, and a plush microfiber towel. So what we do here is we take the towel, we're taking the bottle and giving it a light spray across the panel. You take the towel, give it a nice little easy spread, back and forth, flip the towel over, and do that nice easy spread again. Now I'm not using any pressure to apply this. I'm just letting the towel do all the work. And it's that simple. So from here, we have this section completely done. Yep, that was about 15-20 seconds. Do that around the rest of the car, and then you have your whole car protected. The other benefit of this product is it is good on the glass, it's good on your wheels, it's good on the paint, it's good on chrome, and your trim. So it will enhance and it will protect everything on the exterior of the car. So now that we've finished this section, let me go ahead and finish up and do the rest of the car. Now that you see how easy it is to use, I know that you're going to want it. So go ahead and find us at supremedetailsupply.com, and then also check out the Instagram, the Facebook, and the YouTube channels, all under Supreme Detail Supply.